गाइस इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने जो जो चीज़ देखी और टेम्पटेड फील की मैंने सब ऑर्डर कर लिया। आज अनबॉक्स करता है। हेलो क्यूटीज, वेलकम बैक टू मधुजा अनफिल्टर्ड। आज का वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर फन बिकॉज इट्स अ फैशन हॉल। मैंने कुछ ब्रांड से ऑर्डर किया है विच इज़ गोइंग रियली वायरल ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड मैं उनसे पहली बार ऑर्डर की हूँ। सो लेट्स सी क्या फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन होता है, कैसा पैकेजिंग होता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। द ब्रांड्स आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फ्रॉम इज पास्ट मॉडर्न, ऑफ ड्यूटी, इन वोक एंड लव जेट। सो कुछ डेनिम्स है, कुछ टैंक टॉप्स है, कुछ स्कर्ट्स है, एक बॉडी सूट है, इट्स ऑल ऑफ दैट। सो लेट्स फिगर इट आउट कि कैसा है एंड इट्स अ ऑनेस्ट इम्प्रेशन बिकॉज इट्स अ नॉन स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो। सो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द अनबॉक्स। ओके, सो द फर्स्ट ब्रांड इज गोइंग टू बी पास्ट मॉडर्न। मुझे बहुत टाइम से इस ब्रांड से ऑर्डर देना था। आई थिंक आई हैव सीन देयर टैंक टॉप्स लिटरली एवरीवेयर, तो मुझे बहुत टाइम से ऑर्डर देना था। सैडली मैंने पहले लाइक आई ओपन द पैकेज बट मैंने मतलब इससे नहीं निकाला है, बट आई हैव ओपन द मेन थिंग। सो दे केम विद दिस पास्ट मॉडर्न ए। ये मुझे फ्री भी मिला था, दिस नज़र ना लगे ब्रेसलेट, लाइक पैरों पे भी पहन सकते हैं, मैं ये पैर पे ही पहनूंगी। एंड दे गिव द बिल इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल एनवेलप। सो आई ऑर्डर दिस स्कर्ट। मुझे ये स्कर्ट हर जगह दिखी थी एंड आई वॉज डाइंग टू लाइक फाइनली ऑर्डर इट फॉर माई सेल्फ। तो देखते हैं एक्चुअली कैसा है। ओह माय गॉड, आई फील लाइक अ मर्मेड। मैंने पहना भी नहीं है बट ओह माय गॉड, जस्ट लुक एट दिस। इन लोगों को साउंड सुनाई दे रही है? Bro, I can't wait to walk into a room wearing this. It's giving moment. It's giving moment. But yeah, this is our first product. I will pin the picture जो मैंने देख के ऑर्डर किया था। But yeah, this is like तुम लोगों को हर चीज़ का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, so you can order from there. Okay, so I really like this skirt. It's genuinely giving beach vacation. Like you can like pair it with anything else, like a good white bralette or even a baby like powder blue bralette or tank top. Like you can pair it so well, even with a bikini. Like I think it's gonna go so well. So yeah, you can pair it as like whatever you feel like, and I'm really like, I feel like a mermaid wearing the skirt. So it's genuinely giving beach vacation. Like, can you just hear it? Like you just move around. Like, tell me which girl doesn't want this. For the second product, I ordered this tank top. Again, it's everywhere. I have seen it literally everywhere on everyone. I had to, like, not this particular tank top, but this kind of embellished work tank tops. The cost and everything I will add here. I think ये दोनों साथ में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. That's why I ordered this two together. And I'm planning a beach vacation soon, so I had to order this. I really like the embellished work. I think the tank tops are genuinely worth the hype. Again, this tank top is also a slay. I think बहुत बढ़िया casual wear है ये. Like with a normal blue denim also, it's gonna go so well. So it's a hit. For the third product, not a red flag, but sometimes people ask for it. So yeah, I ordered this red flag tank top. It's in the color black. I'm really obsessed with tank tops. बहुत crazy, बहुत ही casual fit का है ये पूरा haul. It's not really going out. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा actually. Again, the material is really good. It smells nice, surprisingly, and I really like the embellished work. Not a red flag. And also इसका क्वालिटी भी बहुत अच्छा है. Like it's not transparent. Like वो होते हैं ना टैंक टॉप जो दिखता है तुम अंदर कौन से ना गारमेंट पहने हो, क्या स्किन, मतलब सब दिखता है, लाइक सब दिखता है. बट वो होते हैं ना टैंक टॉप्स जो थोड़े से वियर्ड होते हैं पहनने में. लाइक यू हैव टू प्रॉपर वेयर spaghetti or something inside to wear it outside. ये वैसा नहीं है. It is like proper. Like I really like the fitting and the material, and it hugs me so well. And I really like this. Like it's such a good casual wear. I genuinely am obsessed with Past Modern. They genuinely get a heart from my end. So this was our products from the brand Past Modern. Now let's get started with the second brand, which is Off Duty. Okay, so our second brand is Off Duty. Again, this brand is also going really viral on Instagram for denims. I think मैंने 2 या 3 denim order किया. Again, I've lost count. बट लेट्स सी कि कैसा क्वालिटी है, वो तो टच करते ही फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन आ जाएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द अनबॉक्सिंग. ये मैंने लकीली नहीं खोला है पहले, सो लेट्स सी कैसा है. काफी प्रोफेशनल अनबॉक्सर हूँ मैं. अगेन गाइस, प्लीज बेयर विथ मी. इट्स माय फर्स्ट एवर haul that I'm doing. Okay, so I think I've ordered like 2 denims from them. Okay, so over here only you can see now. So I've ordered one tinted vintage washed white leg baggy jeans in the color vintage blue, size 25 है. और एक और 26 में ऑर्डर किया है मैंने ऑनिक्स ब्लैक स्टोन वॉश वाइड लेग हाई राइज जीन्स. सो आई रियली लाइक हाई राइज जीन्स. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट जीन डेनिम वी हैव. मुझे भी याद नहीं है मैंने क्या ऑर्डर किया है. Darling, you're different just like your denims. Preach. इसका स्मेल बहुत गंदा है. I can't really explain, but yeah, the material is okay. Yeah, the material is alright. Like not crazy, मतलब ऐसा कुछ crazy नहीं कर दिया है. So this is our second denim in the color vintage blue. This is our second denim. This doesn't smell weird. That did. Weird. Off Duty. Again the same, darling, you're different, just like our denims. So I think ये boot cut है. Oh, yeah, I remember. I was really excited for this one. This is kind of different. I think I will like this. Okay, so this was Off Duty denims for us. Like the quality is nice. ये तो पहन के ही पता चलेगा. I really like this design. I'm kind of dicey about this one because this smells really weird and कुछ ऐसा खास लगा नहीं. But इसका क्वालिटी अच्छा है. इसका भी क्वालिटी अच्छा है, ऐसा नहीं है. But fine, it just didn't hit me right. So this was the denim I ordered from Off Duty, but the one problem is it really fit me well. It fit me exactly where it should. Like the waist was giving and everything was well. But the only issue is I'm not really a tall girl. I'm a short girl. My height is around 5'2", 5'3". So it doesn't fit me. Like I have to wear heels or boots, then only I can like go out wearing this, or like chunky sneakers. Otherwise it's gonna be everywhere and collecting. मतलब वो jeans होते हैं ना जो लहंगा जैसी ऐसी चलना पड़ता है, ये वही है. तो it's not really short girl friendly. That is the issue. So again, Off Duty का जो second denim था, the black one, again it's giving the same issue. Again it fits me like a lehenga. वो तो size 25 था, like the blue one. ये black वाला तो 26 है. So I genuinely didn't have any expectation. Like ये दोनों ही miss है मेरे लिए. I think denim मैं really like regularly पहनती हूँ, daily पहनती हूँ. तो मेरे लिए denims are supposed to be comfortable, so it's not really giving. Like I genuinely feel like you have to keep short girls also in your mind when you make denims. Like it's genuinely not fitting me well, so miss from my end. Like dono is getting a return for sure. But anyway, like if you're a tall girl, genuinely go for it. I think the denims are really cool. Okay, so abhi the third product is from Love Chen. Again, it's a denim. I really like wanted a asymmetrical denim and मुझे ये इनके वेबसाइट में मिला. Lately बहुत ads आ रहे हैं इनके मेरे feed पे, तो I had to give them a shot. So let's see how is Love Chen. अभी बाल काटते मेरे. ये पोस्ट के चक्कर में बाल ही काट देती मैं. प्रोफेशनल अनबॉक्सर हूँ मैं गाइस. काफी ज्यादा प्रोफेशनल है मेरी अनबॉक्सिंग स्किल्स. Please, it's my first video. Be patient. भाई उन्होंने क्या अभी डेनिम काटती मैं. But this is a light blue denim. This is wide leg crossover waist jeans mid blue in the size 26. Okay, so this is the packaging. I really like this. I will give them brownie points for this. Very eco-friendly. I love that they didn't use any plastic. Shout out to Love Gen for that. Again, this is not sponsored, guys, so please don't mind me. Okay, so they have this through a clothish material ka they have given the brand logo. Like, not really cloth, I don't know exactly, leather, but matte leather. I don't know how to explain, but I really like this. Good packaging, Love Gen. This is Love Gen and ये तो उनका जो normal piece है. Okay. This is also something they have. We can't hear this later, but it is tough as love, Love Gen. This is the actually बहुत अच्छा denim का quality है, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. This is a asymmetrical denim. I really wanted this, so मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. Genuinely, this is a W hit. It's really gliving. It's gliving, guys. It's not giving. It's gliving. Okay, at this point, I feel like I am the problem. My height is the problem because honestly, it's the same issue. But I really like the denim, so I will keep it and get it tailored. So again, like the height issue is there. So if you're a short girl, you really need to think about it before ordering that. But overall, it was okay. Like the material was fine. I really like the style, but it's just the height. So because of that, मैं थोड़ा सा dicey, but overall it's a hit. Okay, so last but not the least, we got Invoke in the house. Okay, so honestly, this is my first ever bodysuit. I think right now on my Instagram, bodysuits बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं, तो kinda मुझे influence कर दिया उन्होंने to get one. There is one more brand right now. I forgot the name of the brand, but उनके भी bodysuits are really like in right now. But वो red color मुझे चाहिए था जो उनके पास नहीं था available, that color. It was pink, so I went with Invoke. So let's see कि इतना जो hype में है ये, does it do justice to that hype? So ये Malaika Arora was spotted wearing this. So as we know, Malaika Arora's body is T, so हमारा तो body उतना T है नहीं, but देखते हैं. This is my first ever bodysuit, and again, Invoke is a really viral brand on Instagram right now. So let's see ये कैसा होता है. ये प्रोडक्ट हमारा, ये प्रोडक्ट के चक्कर में मेरा हाथ तो चल. काफी प्रोफेशनल अनबॉक्सर तो हूँ मैं, you can't deny it. It's giving professional. It's giving not first video. So drum rolls, please. इतना अच्छे से प्यार से उन्होंने पैकेजिंग किया है ना, उसके लिए मैं W देना चाहती हूँ. या ओके, गुड पैकेजिंग. It's giving posh. It's giving premium. It's giving luxury. Own it. So this is the box. I think I will keep this box. I don't know why it's giving it really premium, huh? Own it and flaunt it. Flaunt your curves. So yeah, this is the main product. इधर लिखा हुआ है caution, things are about to get bold. भाई मार्केटिंग तो है यार. भाई ये मुझे फिट आएगा, यही है पूरा. उई जस्ट देखो इसे. हाँ ब्रो, ये मेरा पूरा अपर बॉडी भी फिट नहीं हो रहा है. आई थिंक ये शायद 20 साल पहले मुझे फिट आ सकता था. मैंने अपने ही साइज में दिया ना मुझे. So the material is really nice. It feels breathable, and I think it's really stretchable. Let's see कितना stretch होता है. Oh. It's very like I really like the material. Okay, so now coming to the Invoke bodysuit. Again, it's giving, it's fitting me everywhere. Not gonna lie, it was like maybe because it was the first time I was wearing a bodysuit, but bro, I struggled. Like I was concerned ki whether it's gonna fit me because like the way I had to wear it, oh my god, is God's lol. My god, like it was a struggle in itself. But overall, I really like it. I'm gonna keep it. But again, like बहुत बीटी हुआ पहनते हुए मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता मैं ऐसे कैसे है. Like I will change, but I genuinely like it. Like I feel like my body is still wearing this, so it's a hit. It's giving. It's giving. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope तुम लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो. मैंने अपनी genuine reviews दिए. Like genuinely मुझे जो products अच्छे लगे मैंने बताए, जो अच्छे नहीं लगे मैंने वो भी बताए. अगर तुम लोगों को ऐसे brands like viral products चाहते हो मैं try on करके बताऊँ तुम लोगों को, तो I'm definitely up for it. So let me know in the comments about it. And मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा certain brands. Like I really like Past Modern and I really liked Love Gen. Off Duty का भी अच्छा था. Invoke का bodysuit actually I liked it. It was giving. It snatched my waist, my curves exactly where it should. So yeah, I think overall the haul was great. And तुम लोगों को ऐसे ही honest reviews चाहिए तो you have to hit the like, share, subscribe button guys, and let me know in the comments कि तुम लोगों को अगला कौन सा brand का चाहिए, कौन सा video चाहिए, and I will exactly do that because I am here for you guys, so I will do exactly what you guys want me to do. Chalo guys, take care, love you all, peace out. I will see you on another brand new video. Till then, take care.